Hi, this is Rob. The Ninja Foodi AG301 5-in-1 Indoor Electronic Countertop Grill. This is an indoor grill that you can use for everything. Cook steaks, hamburgers, shrimp, hot dogs, sausage, fish, vegetables, pork, lamb, chicken, turkey, breakfast items, snacks, appetizers, dessert items, and more. This 1,760 watt indoor grill will fit on your countertop. The dimensions are 12.05 inches wide, 10.59 inches high, and 16.88 inches from front to back. The electrical cord is 3 feet long. They call it a 5-in-1 grill because it is a grill. Grill indoors while creating even charred grill marks and grilled flavor. It is also an air fryer. You can air fry French fries. It has a roast feature, tenderized meats, roast chicken, roast vegetables, and more. A bake feature, use it to bake cakes, pies, treats, and desserts. And a dehydrate feature. In the included recipe booklet is a dehydrate chart for instructions on how to dehydrate apples, asparagus, bananas, beets, eggplant, fresh herbs, ginger root, mangoes, mushrooms, pineapple, strawberries, tomatoes, and how to make beef jerky, chicken jerky, turkey jerky, and salmon jerky. There are other charts like this for the other cooking features of this indoor grill. What do you get in the box? The Ninja Foodi indoor grill itself, a removable splatter shield. Located on the underside of the hood, the splatter shield keeps the heating element clean and prevents smoking. The splatter shield is removable for cleaning, but it is recommended to keep it in place when cooking. A 10-inch by 10-inch non-stick ceramic-coated grill grate that fits 4 steaks. A 4-quart non-stick ceramic-coated crisper basket that fits 2 pounds of fries. A 6-quart non-stick ceramic-coated cooking pot that fits a 3-pound roast. A cleaning brush, a owner's manual, quick start guide, and a chef-created 15-recipe booklet. The splatter shield, grill gate, the crisper basket, the cooking pot, and the cleaning brush are all dishwasher safe. Some of the recipes in the chef-created 15-recipe booklet include classic cheeseburgers with directions, teriyaki marinated salmon with directions, barbecue chicken breasts with directions, personal grilled pizza, and honey and herb charred carrots. The control panel. The power on, power off button. Note, pressing this button during the cooking process stops the current cooking function and turns off the device. Set the cooking temperature with these up and down arrow buttons. Set the cooking time with these up and down arrow buttons. The buttons of the 5 cooking functions. Remember, if you get any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in buying this, please use the Amazon links below. Grill, air crisp, dehydrate, roast, and bake. When you press one of the cooking function buttons, the default temperature for that cooking function will display in the LCD. You can adjust that default temperature and then set the cooking time. Then, to begin the cooking process, press the Start button to begin cooking. There will be a preheating time before you see the cooking time clock count down. Pre will appear on the LCD screen. It can take about 8 minutes to preheat, depending on the selected temperature settings. When cook time is complete, the device will beep and End will appear on the LCD screen. If you need to cook the food longer, simply press the Time Up arrow to add more time, then press the Start button. The owner's manual is very good in giving detailed instructions on how to use each of the 5 cooking functions. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this indoor countertop grill.